Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is still moving here in sideways ranges, in sideways corrections. No change since yesterday. On the micro level, the support area remains intact. Yes, we are holding above a main support region for the larger wave 4, which relates to the larger, let me just go to the larger time frame, which relates to the larger wave 4, right? And I told you that expectations are for the price to reach sort of the 38.2 to the 50% retracement in this wave 4, because currently wave 4 is still very shallow, but the price is currently respecting the levels. So in this larger wave 5, and I'm not going to talk about the daily chart too much, but there was a small support section here, not only the 23.6 fib level, but also the center line of the middle line of that price channel. So we had some support there, probably in wave A of 4. That would be my preference here at the moment. And we could be in this orange B wave, which is what I highlighted as my preferred scenario over the last few days, which it still is, I have to say. And yes, this support area is quite large, but that's just what wave 4s do, right? We know that wave 4s in a diagonal pattern, they could go down to the 61.8 retracement, which is at $163. However, also we know that the 23.6 retracement is a bit too weak. But nevertheless, I want to give you these levels. The key levels to watch for, I think, are the 38.2 retracement at 196 and the 50% retracement, where the wave 4 could find a low. Yes, there can be support at the 23.6 fib level, and yes, the price could easily retrace to the 61.8 fib level, but they would do it less frequently than in this the area between the 50% and the 38.2 fib level. But this is only the support area on the daily chart, which isn't that large if you consider the extensions that we've seen over recent months anyway. But on the smaller time frame, if you're after more precision, well, the only support area I can give you is this one, and the price did react to it. That's for the 1 hour chart, right? And the price did react to it already a couple of times. So we've seen a reaction, but I see this only as an internal B wave. That micro support area is defined between $220.72 and $231.31. And yeah, the price, as I said, it didn't break below it. So the idea of a still unfolding B wave in orange may be something more bullish, yeah, but that needs to be proven. So the idea of a still unfolding B wave in orange is still pretty much alive and intact. And after the B wave has topped, we are going to watch for a C wave to the downside, which could then target those Fibonacci levels I just showed you on the daily chart. Very erratic and chaotic price action, but that is not a surprise given that this is likely a B wave. The price has also seen this dip yesterday like Bitcoin, but it didn't break support, so the scenarios are still very much valid. Could this be a C wave in the making now? Yes, but we haven't reached the blue, so we haven't reached that blue target zone yesterday, which I see as a, let's say, it's just for orientation really, you know. Because we are dealing with a B wave, they are very chameleon-like and difficult to trade, and you know, the idea that it's a B wave has basically warned us that things might go up and down a bit, and overlapping structures and everything could follow, which we see right now. But that idea that we could get there is still very much alive. You know, at least one more high touching 250 or 257 would be ideal, I think, before we then start the C wave down. But so overall, I'm still watching for short-term higher, even though it's probably in a messy B wave. Maybe a diagonal pattern emerges out of this or something more bullish, but as I said, that needs to be proven. Can't really be seen yet in the price. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.